Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cellular on your Apple Watch Series 9. First, ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS and your Apple Watch to watchOS. Then, open the Watch app on your iPhone and navigate to the Cellular section. You'll be guided through the activation process with your carrier, which typically takes just a few minutes. This links your watch to your existing phone plan, allowing it to operate independently. With Cellular activated, your Apple Watch Series 9 can make calls, send messages, and stream music without your iPhone nearby. It uses a small, embedded SIM card to connect to your carrier's network. Imagine going for a run and leaving your phone at home, yet still receiving important notifications or even calling for assistance. This freedom extends your connectivity, offering peace of mind and convenience throughout your day. To manage your cellular settings, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Cellular. Here, you can view your data usage, toggle Cellular on or off, and manage specific app permissions. For instance, you might restrict certain apps from using cellular data to conserve your plan. Understanding these settings helps you optimize performance and avoid unexpected charges, giving you full control over your watch's independent capabilities. To maximize battery life and data efficiency, consider a few tips. Turn off Cellular when you know you'll be near your iPhone or Wi-Fi for extended periods. Use Wi-Fi whenever available, as it consumes less power than Cellular. Also, limit background app refresh for cellular data in the Watch app. These small adjustments can significantly extend your watch's operational time, ensuring you stay connected for up to 18 hours on a single charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.